Hey everyone, and I'd like to touch on a little bit on the batteries installation for the Spark. And and if you can see clearly from here that there's this little catch here on both sides which locks the battery onto the drone. So these are the only two safety devices that's on the battery that holds the battery onto the Spark securely. And so a lot of times we do have batteries that getting dislodged during flight, and I don't really understand why, but perhaps you can take a look at this video and perhaps my method will actually save you save your drone. So what I usually do is I'll put this battery in and grab hold of these two catches, pull it back and push in. So it doesn't really matter if you pull back and push the battery in or you just simply push it in. It doesn't really matter. What it really matters is those two catches on each side, it hold on to the latch on the craft. So what you need to do is what I do is here I'll just, once it's in place, I'll just pull a little bit back. Okay, right now I'm feeling like it's loose, so this is how I check it's loose, right? Meaning that the catch has embedded itself into the slot. I do it for both sides, right? And just give it a slight tap. It is loose, so you see what I can say is it's shaky. So in this way it's actually secure. I have no problem with this method that I've been using it for a couple of months, and I have never had any kind of issue. See, the battery doesn't go off even if it is really good. And also you can check out my little cover that I got from some online store which protects the gimbal, and I do really recommend to have that cover on, because then it just prevents you from touching this accidentally during shipment or when you carry it around. Do check back my videos and come back for more tips and stuff for DJI Spark.